Okay, I got the Cuisinart Elemental 4-cup chopper grinder. The box has some instructions in English and Spanish on both sides. Oh, here's the instruction manual. So the instruction manual is also in English and Spanish. On the box, it does say that there's a few functions on there, or features on there. So there's the cover, 4-cup work bowl, smart power blade, some touchpad controls, and sturdy, stylish base. So there's an insert over there that also mentions a few options that you can do with your food, like chop, grind, emulsify, and puree. Let's take that tape off the cover here. It's a fairly sturdy bowl. So there's this safety blade lock system on the smart power blade. You kind of have to twist and pull up to lift that bowl. It also says in the box that this bowl is BPA-free. There is a cable management on the bottom of the blender, which is very useful. The cord itself is not that long, about 2.5 feet, about 30 inches. Alright, let's put some vegetables in there and see how it blends. I do want to comment that the blade is very sharp. I actually cut myself with the blade while I was washing it. So you do have to hold down the button in order for this chopper and grinder to work. It's not like a blender that you can just set some settings on, which is also another safety feature I want to say. There is a secure lock on it on the bottom. You can't really turn it or lift the bowl until the lid is off. It's a good safety feature. And you can't start the blender until you have the lid on, which will turn this latch on the bottom to activate the chop and grind. Let's take a top-down view of that. If you like what you see, feel free to like and subscribe. I'll probably do a little bit more unboxing videos in the future. Thanks for watching.